This right here is disgusting, and I am so fed up with this country. It is unreal. Let's roll.
We have some news right now. Donald Trump and the Trump administration have removed MLK Day and Juneteenth as free admissions day to national parks. But you know which day they added? Donald Trump's birthday.
How selfish can you be? I mean, really, this is what makes me mad, and this is what makes many Americans mad because of shit like this. Okay, we try and move on from what has been going on in the past lately. Even though it's hard, we all try our best to hold our composure and to not talk bad about those who run this country. But when you're this selfish, it's really hard to hold back, especially myself. I really try not to get involved in politics, especially at the dinner table. It's a sore subject, not with my family per se, but with other members of my family. You just can't be doing stuff like this. Like, I just don't understand why we have to be this way. Like, why? Who is this hurting? What is this hurting by changing what was already in place? By somebody who wanted to do something good for somebody. Now, somebody just wants to come in and totally sabotage that and ruin it for millions and millions and millions of Americans that are used to being able to do certain things on certain holidays, right? I mean, they may not have money to pay fees to get in national parks or whatnot, whatever the case may be, right? But why is it okay to do exactly what is going on? Why? Why does everybody think it's okay? It's not.
Donald Trump's birthday, also Flag Day on June 14th, will now be a free admission day to national parks. This, according to local PBS affiliates. So when you go to national parks, typically you have to pay. Not on all days, but on most days. Days you don't have to pay, like Juneteenth, MLK Jr. Day, or previously at least, they're national holidays. Now Trump has decided, we're going to remove MLK Jr. Day, we're going to remove Juneteenth from the days that you don't have to pay.
Wrong, that's wrong.
And instead, we're going to add my birthday.
Oh my God, this just makes me sick.
Donald Trump's birthday will now be a day where you don't have to pay for admission. But this is obviously causing outrage, and justifiably so, among many.
Outrage? I don't understand. Like, can somebody please explain to me in the comments why this needs to happen? I really, really need to understand why. Why? I mean, this type of stuff puts people in depression. What's been going on with this country is putting people into depression. I don't care who the president is. You just need to do good to Americans and stop screwing them out of everything. Everything that other past politicians have set in place. I don't care if you're blue. I don't care if you're red. Let's just stop the bullshit. Let's just stop it. We need to stop it, and it needs to be stopped. This is unacceptable and uncalled for. When I first heard this story, I almost bit my tongue off because I just have to keep quiet. You know, you're not supposed to talk about it. You're not supposed to talk about this. You're not supposed to talk about that. But when it starts to mess with your mind, like for myself, I just need to come on YouTube and talk about it because it just upsets me. It really, really upsets me. And to see the president mock coworkers, colleagues that he works with because of their color is disgusting. It is very disgusting and distasteful. And it really, really makes me mad. It really makes me upset. Like very, very, very upset. I just there's no place in this country for anybody to live anywhere in this country that does that type of thing.
Many people across America. It's just a symbolic nature of what Donald Trump is trying to do here, and it's pretty evident. Spread the word. Full updates on my Substack, linked in bio. Subscribe for free. Follow along for all the news that you need to know about. More to come.
What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments. I mean, let's not get political about it, right? I know it's not, I know it's hard not to, right? But again, I don't care who the president is. You just can't be doing stuff like this, right? I mean, I think as a citizen of the United States who has the right to vote, I think I took a lot of what has transpired in this term, and I tried to look past it, but you can't. When you see it on the news every day, and when you
We
read
have some
about
news
it
right now.
every day, you just can't. It's literally impossible to not have it screw with your mind. It's impossible. I mean, am I going to agree on everything that any politician does? No, right? And that's okay. You have the right to your own opinion. Again, I'll make it clear it's not a red or a blue thing. It's just in general. In general, people in this world are full of hate. It's disgusting. It is truly disgusting. I will catch you in the next one.